Hello everyone. Welcome back to North Lake Elementary's library. Today we're going to be searching the library catalog. We're going to be searching for a book. This is Ms. Guzman giving this tutorial with Mr. Aleman. First off, what is a catalog? A catalog is a collection of materials provided by the library. In the library's catalog, there are two types of materials: online materials and physical materials. These include books and book kits. Online materials include ebooks, audiobooks, and the database to look through research articles and research resources. How to browse the library catalog? We must first look at our options. We can browse in person by looking through the categories in the library, or we may browse online. If we are going to find some source online, we will need to use the NLE online catalog, as well as the Sora app if we would like to search for online ebooks. Using the catalog. First, you'll go to ClassLink on your school provided electronic. You'll click on Student Library Resources after logging in with your credentials. Then you will click on NLE Online Catalog, just like the icon that's displayed here. You'll make sure that it does say North Lake Elementary School. And then we will view something that is called the River, where new releases are displayed and special book lists are available to view. We're going to look at the search bar here. This is where you can type any keyword to find a book that you're looking for, or perhaps a title. You will enter your keyword here. In this example, we will use bears. When we find the word bears in our library catalog, we find there are 168 books about bears. Since we are doing a research project, we will need to narrow it down to find books we want. This is an example that we will use here. You'll look through the filters to find books that will help with our research. In this case, we will use the filters to find books that help with our research. We are looking for nonfiction books, so we will select nonfiction. Once we have removed all the books that are not nonfiction, we will find 40 books that are available to help us look through as we read about bears. If you see a book you like, you are welcome to look at the shelf by using the call number provided. This helps you look through the library and find exactly where this book is. Once you are able to find a book available for checkout on the online catalog, you will view the shelf location for the call number. You will search carefully in the category that you're supposed to go through. You will look through alphabetical ordered sources on the shelf. You will locate your book, and if you are unable to, you can always ask for help. Once you've found your resource, you will proceed to the library help desk, check it out for 2 weeks, care for the book, and return it when you are done or on your next visit. Now that we know how to search for a physical book in the library, there are other ways to search for books, such as looking online through Sora or through ebooks that are provided in Sora. This is the same app that you can find in our district's class links. You will find it and log in with your credentials, and you can read your ebooks from anywhere at home or in school. You will go through the North Lake Elementary School library website, click on Sora eBooks, log in with your credentials. It will look something like this. You'll notice at the bottom that there are multiple tabs that you can visit. You will search in the same way you've searched through the library's catalog. You will make sure that you are on the Explore tab while you are searching. In this example, we will still use bears. We can type in bears, and then we can find 12 ebooks about bears. Now this one is a lot less than the results that we saw on the online catalog for the library, but we can also filter and find non-fiction books for our topic that we will research. You may also borrow books, read a sample, or add to a list on Sora if you find something that interests you. If this has been helpful for you, make sure you visit the library to explore more. Remember what we have discussed today. We can use the online catalog to find ebooks and find physical books in our library. As always, ask a librarian for help if you need anything at all. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.